This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start. Okay, so yesterday we were discussing regarding the functional specification writing, right? Okay, let me go to the functional specification writing. Okay, so where is that yesterday? Let me see. Okay, so like this we need to define the table numbers, right? Like what is the table, what is the field value details we just need to capture, and we need to specify here over here the relevant table and its field value details, etc. Okay, then once all these details, let us say request for quotation number, where I am trying to get, I am trying to get from the EK PO table. I am going to get the request for quotation details from the, with this logic which we have written yesterday, right? Then request for quotation number, what is the field and field value? Let me go to the, I will go to the, ఏం స్మెల్ వస్తుంది, ఆల్కహాల్ స్మెల్, India 1 2 3. I will go to the SC16, SC11, EKKO. Not EKKO, I will go to the EKPO. So I will go to the EKKO. EKKO is the header level table for the request for quotations and contracts, etc. Then what is the item level table? EKKO is the header level table. Hmm? Hmm. And EKPO is the header level table, item level table. EKKO is header level and EKPO is the item level table, right? So let me check. So I will take, okay, if I want to see the request for quotation line item number, what I have to do, I need to go to the EKPO. I will go to SE11. I will go to EKPO and I will click on display. So what is the purchase request for quotation item number? This is the purchase requisition document number. Okay, then what is the item number over here? See, item number of the purchase requisition. Not purchase requisition, purchasing document. So EBELP is the item number. EKPO EBELP. Okay, then contract number. Contract number also same table. Okay, but how you will define whether it is a contract or nothing, contract or something else, with the help of the purchasing document category, right? So contract number, you are going to take it from the EKKO header table. EKKO header table. EKKO is the purchasing contract header table. What is the purchasing document contract number? Field it is EBELN. EKKO EBELN. Then what is the contract line item? Contract line item is EKPO EBELP. Same thing. Table is same, right? EKPO. Just click on display. EBELP, same thing. But how you are going to differentiate contract and the request for quotation? You are going to differentiate with the purchasing document category. Where is the purchasing document category? Purchasing document category. I will go to the EKKO. I will click on display. See purchasing document category. I will find the contract from the EKKO EBELN, where the purchasing document category is BSTYP. Okay. Okay, BSCYP. BSTYP is the purchasing document category, right? So here, when I say contract, I will be taking the contract details from the EKKO EBELN, where EKKO purchasing document category, right? BSTYP equal to K. ఒకటే టేబుల్లో రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫర్ కొటేషన్ ఉంది, కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఉంది, పర్చేజ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది. Then how you will find out the relevant contract number? You are going to find out the relevant contract number by inputting EKKO BSTYP equal to K. Then you will come to know this particular document is nothing but a contract number. If I want to find it out, request for quotation, what I have put? I have put R, right? In the same way, if I want to find out the contract number, I will put EKKO BSTYP is equal to K. That means I will be able to filter it out the contract numbers over here. Then what is contract? Then what is purchase order? How you are going to find it out? You are going to find it out in the same way. The header level table is EKKO and the purchase order number is EBELN. But how you will find out purchase order number? Where EKKO BSTYP equal to F. Where EKKO BSTYP equal to F. That is nothing but a purchase order.
Request for quotation to contract to order to okay table wise, sir.
ఒకటే table, but how you are going to differentiate? If I want to find out the contracts, I will go to the EKKO. I will go to SC16N. EKKO. If I put the document category, right? If I put the document category as F, then it will be a purchase order. It will provide the details of all the purchase order, these and all the purchase orders. If I put document category as K, it will provide all the details of the contracts, these and all the contracts. Then if I put the document category as L, it will provide you the documents of all the scheduling agreements here. Just click on execute scheduling agreement. These and all the scheduling agreements over here. LP, LPA, ZLPA, these and all the scheduling agreements, right? Then what is the other category? Table is same for all the documents, but how you are differentiating within the table, you are going to differentiate with the depending upon the document category. Okay, if I put over here as A, it will generate the request for quotations over here. So these and all the request for quotations, right? AN is the request for quotation document type, standard. TAN, all those things are the request for quotation document types. Now let me go back. So that is the reason I have specified over here. If I want to find out the relevant purchase orders, I need to put the document category as F over here. Then what is the purchase order line item? What is the purchase order line item? Purchase order line item is nothing but, I will go to the SC16. Anything SC16 or SC11, anything you can use it, same thing only. Yeah, EKPO. Here you will find the relevant purchase order line item. See, what is the line item of the purchase order? What is the field value? Let me see. I will go to the SC11 and I will put EKPO. So what is the purchase requisition item number? Okay, see, item number of the purchasing requisition, right? It is EBELP. So it is purchase order number EKPO EBELP. Header level you will see, but here you need not to see what is the item type, etc. Okay, so this is nothing but a purchase order item number. Okay, also what is the release status of the purchase order? Where you will find the release status of the purchase order? Purchase order release will be always at the header level, right? So you just need to select EKKO, click on execute. So what is the release status of this particular purchase order? Can you see anywhere some of the status? Where is purchase order release status? Can we see here? Status.
Release strategy release.
Yeah, release status, right? FRG ZU. EKKO FRG ZU. Okay, like this, you need to prepare the technical details like this. Once you prepare the technical details, what you will do? You will go ahead and discuss with the technical team. Okay, you need to go ahead and discuss with the technical team. They will ask so many questions. Okay, what is this table? What is the field? Again, they will ask so many questions, but you need to clarify them. Once the clarification is done, what is the next page of the FS? Next section of the FS is section number, let us say 4 or 5. Section number 4 is the, here you need to specify the test cases. Test cases to be used for testing purpose of the solution which you developed. So you need to write it down, the testing cases, what and all test cases you are going to perform. All those things you need to write it down over here. So what test cases you will do over here? You will do the, no, you will create one simple testing scenario. Like your main report is, it started with the purchase requisition creation and it is going to end with the invoice verification creation till invoice verification. So it is starting with the purchase requisition release, request for quotation release, contract release, then purchase order release, then goods receipt, then invoice verification. Till here it is going this report, right? So you need to test this particular report which you have developed. So how you will test? You need to create so many scenarios, right? Let us say you need to create scenario number 1. Scenario number 1 is nothing but create domestic procurement cycle. You will create one domestic procurement cycle. So where you know, right, what is domestic procurement cycle? Here you are going to create the purchase requisition creation. You are going to create the purchase requisition, then release purchase requisition, then create a request for quotation, then release request for quotation, then create contract, then create a release contract. Okay, then create PO, then release PO, then create goods receipt, then create invoice, then payment run, right? So all these, you will create various types of scenarios like this, some 10 to 50 you will create, and based upon these scenarios you are going to execute your custom transaction code. When you execute that particular custom transaction code, it will display the format, you will get the results of your report in such a fashion. Let us say you created purchase requisition number 1. So in the report, how it looks like? It will looks like in the column based format. Let us say now it is in the row column based. So the report you are going to trigger, it will be in this format, right? Let us say you created one purchase requisition. So when you execute this report, the purchase requisition, how it looks like? It will looks like, the report will looks like in this format. Let me create one purchase requisition. I will take one material over here. I will go to the MM60. I will go to the OCAP. So I will take one material which is existed, 500800130. Plant is OCAP 001001. OCCP. So when you execute that report, in that report, what you will see in the first two columns? You will see in the first two columns the purchase requisition number and the requisition item number. What is the purchase requisition? 660941, right?
Yes.
So here you will see 660941 and the requisition item number is 10 or 1. Then type of requisition. What is the type of requisition? 1NB. 1NB is the type of requisition. What is the releasing status? This particular requisition has the release or not? MA 54N. So there is no release status. So in the report it will show as a blank only. Okay. Then RFQ number. Let us say I will convert this requisition into a RFQ. How I will convert? I will go to the ME41. I will click on, I will put the deadline date as 31/03/2023. Purchase organization, purchasing group, storage location. Okay, material 500800130. RFQ quantity. I just save it. Okay, 6 7 zeros 98. So here you will say 6 7 zeros 98. RFQ line item. What is the RFQ line item? I will go to ME43. What is the RFQ line item? It is number 10. Number 10. Then if you convert this RFQ into contract, then what is the relevant contract number? I will go to the ME31K. I will take this vendor. I will take WK. I can create the contract with reference to request for quotation, right? Okay, so I will go to the, I will put the request for quotation number over here. What is the request for quotation number? This is the one which I created. I will select it. I will copy it over here. Into 430 ka? 4 ka? Okay. So this is the request for quotation. Validity end date 31/12/2022. I am converting this into a contract, right? I just save it. So 436014 is the contract number. 436014. Then what is the contract line item number? The contract line item number is ME33K. Contract line item number is 10. This is the contract, and contract line item number is 10 here. Okay. Then what is the purchase order and what is the purchase order line item number which we have created against this? Okay, let me go over here. I will convert this contract into a purchase order as a part of testing. This is how I need to do the testing. Okay, I will go to the ME21N. I will select this as vendor. What is my contract? I will go to the selection variant. I will go to the contracts. Let us say this is the contract number. I will input the contract number over here. Let me try to execute it over here. So I will select and I will copy. Okay, so okay, we need to release the contract. There is some contract is still not released. So I will go to the contract release. So it has 8 levels of the release and the release group is PO. So I will try to release this contract. ME35K is the transaction code to release the contract. L1, level 1 and PO. Level 2 and PO. Level 3 and PO. Level 4 and PO. Level 5 and PO. Level 6 and PO. Level 7 and PO. Level 8 and PO. So now I am able to release this contract. Now what I will do? I will try to convert this contract into a order. Okay, so what is the contract here? 143 all zeros 14, right? So I will go to ME21N. I will go to the my contracts. I will select and copy over here. I will enter the contract quantity. I will just check and save it. So the purchase order number created is 5650303. 5650303. And what is the purchase order document number? Purchase order item number is ME23N. It is 1. Purchase order item number is 1. What is the release status of the purchase order? Let us see if this particular purchase order is release status. Yes, it has the release status. The release status is now it is in blocked category. So release status is still blocked category. So I can say put it as B. Okay, then if I do the goods receipt for this particular purchase order, what is the goods receipt number and goods receipt quantity and the goods receipt value I need to specify over here. GR number, GR value and GR quantity. Okay, what I will do, I will try to do the goods receipt now for this particular PO. I will go to MI0 is 5650303. Not yet released. Okay, we need to release it. Before going for the release, we need to release it. MA 29N for the purchase order release. Then I will go to the release. I will go to the release. Okay, I just released it. So now the release indicator became R, nothing but released. Okay, now I can do the goods receipt against this particular PO. So I will click on enter button. I will go to MIZO. Five six 5650303. I will change the posting date over here. I will try to click on item OK and I will try to post it. So 49404371 is the GR number. So what is the GR number? GR number is 49404371. What is the value of the GR? I will go to ME23N. Purchase order history. The value of the GR is 5000 rupees. What is the GR quantity? GR quantity is 1000 numbers. Then what is the invoice quantity? Invoice number, invoice quantity, and invoice value. So I need to do the invoice now. I will go to the MIRO. I will put the invoice date as 25/12/2017 X100. Posting date as 25/12/2017. What is the PO here? PO is 303, right? 56 all zeros, 303. So I will select the relevant tax code. ఎంత ఎన్ని గంటల 4 కదా. So I will select V1 here. I will click on calculate tax. So what is the amount here? 5250. I need to put it over here. Okay, I will click on simulate. Still there is some issue with the invoice. Field business area is required field for GL account OCF02008. Okay, let me go to the field business area is a required account field for the GL account OCF02008. Okay, so there is some issue with this. Field business area is a required field for GL account OCF02008. I think we need to rectify this. I will go over here. Let me see. Okay, select this field status group assigned to your GL in master record. I think there is some issue with the field status group. I will go to the SPRO. What is the field status group? FS00. So I will go to the field status group we have assigned is G030. I will try to change this to Z003. Let us see. I will try to do this now. Okay, now we were able to do the invoice. What is the invoice number? 510560. $9652. What is the invoice quantity? Invoice quantity is also 1000, right? Invoice value also 5,000. Okay, now let me go to the purchase order history. See, invoice value, invoice quantity is 1000, invoice value is 5,000. Okay, so this is the way you need to do the testing. Okay, so this is the way you need to create the functional specifications, and based upon the functional specification you need to create one custom report, and to test that particular custom report you need to do such type of testing, etc. Okay, so tomorrow what I will see, I will try to find it out one functional specifications, and that particular functional specification we will see how are we going to write a function. I will try to show it to you exactly how a functional specification looks like in tomorrow's class. Okay, so any doubts?
సార్
Yes.
సార్ అది కొంచెం పైకి స్క్రోల్ చేస్తాను సార్ కొంచెం
ఏది ఇదా?
కొంచెం సార్ అక్కడ టేబుల్ మనము స్ట్రక్చర్ రాసాం కదా సార్ సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ ఇక్కడ 84 రో అండ్ 86 రోలో రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, అది ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం? అంటే కాంట్రాక్ట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్.
అదే కాంట్రాక్ట్ అంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ పర్చేజ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కేటగిరీ కే పెడతారు. పర్చేజ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు పర్చేజింగ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కేటగిరీ ఎఫ్ ఇస్తారు. సో దట్ యూ విల్ find it out which one is contract, which one is purchase order. Let me show it to you. ఎవరు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతుంది? విశ్వనాథ, తిరుమల?
సార్ అది కాదు సార్, అంటే కింద రోలో
ఇదా
కాంట్రాక్ట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ సార్. అవును సార్, కాంట్రాక్ట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ పర్చేస్ ఆర్డర్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్. 84
మీరు ఫస్ట్ కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు. కాంట్రాక్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి దానికి రిలవెంట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ తీసుకుంటారు.
ఓకే సార్.
మీరు పర్చేజ్ ఆర్డర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి దానికి రిలవెంట్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ తీసుకుంటారు. అది
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
Hmm.
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Okay. Okay, then what else you have? Hmm?
సార్ ఇంకా ఇదేనా సార్ లాస్ట్ సెక్షన్ 4 తర్వాత ఇంకా సెక్షన్ 5 ఏం లేవా సార్
Hmm?
అంటే కంక్లూజన్ ఏమన్నా టికెట్ క్లోజింగ్ అప్పుడు ఎట్లా క్లోజ్ చేయాలి సార్
ఏంటది కన్క్లూజన్ ఇదే కదా, నువ్వు టెస్టింగ్ చేసి అంతా చేసి దీన్ని నువ్వు టెస్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నువ్వు క్లయింట్కి ఇస్తావు అనమాట, వాడు మళ్ళీ టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు.
ఓకే సార్ ఇప్పుడు క్లోజింగ్ టికెట్ లో మళ్ళీ స్టేటస్ ఏమైనా చేంజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది సార్
ఎస్. ఓకే, ఎనీ అదర్ డౌట్స్? Okay, so we can meet tomorrow. Okay, who is this? Somebody called me. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Any other question?
సార్ టికెట్ క్లోజింగ్ అంటే ఎలా సార్ స్టేటస్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి సార్ దీని తర్వాత
Status మీరు test, you will be assigning the ticket to the customer or the client. Then client will test, then he will confirm you whether it is okay or not.
ఓకే
Okay, right? Yes.
ఓకే సార్
Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Okay. Okay then. Okay then, bye bye.
End the meeting. అంతే కదా సార్?
Hmm?
End the meeting.
Hmm.